In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make a payment inside of Odoo. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Odoo like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go into invoicing. Then you need to go into customers and invoice. And then you need to find that specific invoice that you want to make a payment for. Then you need to click on it. And up here in the menu, you have either option to send, print, or pay. And if you click pay, you'll get this payment up here. And here you can add in a journal where you can either choose a bank or you can create your own journal method, and you can change the payment method with either manual payment or batch deposit. Then from here you can click in how much money the payment has been and the payment date and a memo. Then from here you just need to click create payment like so. And as you can see now over here in the history, you can see that it has been paid. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!